What's up, guys? So just wanted to give you an update on how the engine is going. Well, a week or so ago, I added a new feature into the engine, and that was SSAO, Screen Space Ambient Occlusion. Why don't I show you what I did, so that way you know what I'm talking about? So basically here I have this particular scene that I got from CG Trader, and as you can see, it doesn't look that good. It's not popping, right? Something is missing, right? But watch what happens when I add SSAO into it. Click on it, and you can see how all of a sudden we have some darkening around the corners of the wall. I'm going to disable it again so you can see that, and it's on again. So you see some darkenings, underneath the couch, again, around the bookshelf, around this chair. It adds depth into your scene, something that is needed for a scene to look good. So let me explain to you what I had to do. So number one, I had to break up my renderer. It goes from being a forward renderer to a deferred renderer, and what that means is that I needed to break up my passes. So that I have a geometry pass which deals only with the geometry, the meshes, and a lighting pass, and that is needed in order for you to use in order for you to implement ambient occlusion. So in the first pass, in the geometry pass, what you end up getting, or what you need to obtain, are like 3 different textures: albedo, normal, and position textures. Actually, let me show you so you know what I mean. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to generate or show my albedo texture. That's my albedo. Now I'm going to show you the normal texture, and then I'm going to show you the position texture, right? Once you have these textures, you also need to get some hemispheric sampling kernels that you're going to use to generate an ambient occlusion texture. So in the end, you're going to actually get something like this. That. And once you have this texture, you basically will sample this texture, and you apply the occlusion factor into your final into your lighting path, and basically what you get, you're gonna get something like that, and that's basically what you do. A really good site if you want to implement this in your renderer is to go to Learn OpenGL and simply search for SSAO. The article is really good, very easy to follow along. Again, it will show you how to do this. Here it shows you that the textures that you need, positions, normals. Then you will generate the SSAO using the kernel samples. You have to blur your SSAO, and then finally you combine that with your lighting pass. And once you have that, you get your scene. Again, guys, just wanted to share with you the update, how everything is going. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.